Good morning, Doral. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing for 30 seconds of silence. Please join me in reciting our school motto. We are Doral. We live by striving to be the best we can be. We learn by working hard and always doing our best. We love by caring for others. We leave a legacy by sharing our school with others and trying to make a difference in the world. Thank you. Please be seated.
Welcome back to Doral Saddle News. My name is Miss Doane.
Mr. Dowse.
I'm Amari.
And I'm Mr. Walsh.
Today is March 10th, 2023.
Lunch today is hamburger, lettuce, tomato, pickle kit, orange, white milk, and chocolate milk.
Saddle Clubs!
D&D Club is meeting today from 2:45 to 3:30. Please meet Mr. Walsh outside.
Don't forget, today is the last day of quarter 3. Make sure to turn in all your work and get those grades up before you start spring break.
Dragon Dollar store will be open today during all lunches. Make sure you spend those Dragon Dollars hard-earned money. You know what I mean? Spend it.
Make sure to wish the following students a happy birthday. And as always,
have a great day, Dragons!